You can also add here a format. This one, conditional formatting, manage rules, new rule based on a formula again, and it's equal to the following. The formula is this: if the start of the project plus this one, the column is variable, so we're gonna put into brackets -1, okay, it's equal to fill this with this and the number. Okay, so here we are. So today is this day. Okay, let's say that I want to have this to start on 25th of May 25th 05/2017. Okay, so you see now that I'm gonna change like this. I'm here now. Okay, my project start here. Is that this? You can also use dates here if you want. Okay, I can also ask to format all this area. Okay, I can also use unconditional formatting for this. The format of all this is going to adapt it. Okay, if you want, but this is an exercise for you. So you see that we can also change this value here.